Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm introducing you my new n8n workflow, which is a morning brief for PM. The goal of this workflow is really simple. Is that each morning, for example at 7 or 8 a.m., the workflow will scan all of your, let's say, daily tasks, what you will have to do during the day, and will send you a sum up with a prioritization by Slack. So let's have a look at the workflow. So first of all, we have our trigger. So of course, it's totally flexible. So for example, you can put it at 7 or 8 a.m. So the workflow will start by scanning all of your Notion, and then it will also scan your different tools. So here, for example, this Steam, it's only for demo. So when you want to load some mock data for checking if everything is fine. But if you don't switch to demo mode, you will have the live mode where you will scan your Google Calendar, your email, your Slack highlights, and the different Notion page that you have, for example, about your sprint, about your product, if you had some customer alert, etc. So once everything is scanned, the data will be merged and a file will be created and will be sent to AI. So for this example, the AI is ChatGPT, but of course you can use Claude or any AI you want. So AI will first do an analyze and create a briefing. Then AI will analyze this briefing again and will start to prioritize it. Then once everything is prioritized, you will have a Notion page that will be created. And then once everything is fine, you will get a Slack notification as soon as it's done. So when you start your day, you will just have to check your Slack and you will have a daily sum up about what is coming to your day. And of course, you will have all the details into your Notion for the documentation, but at least with the first seconds of your day, you will know what are your priority, what you have to do, etc. So this is an example about what you can do. Of course, everything is totally flexible and manageable. So for example, you can decide to scan everything you want. So not only your Notion, but for example, you can also add Jira or whatever you want, whatever tools you use or software you use. So this is very, very flexible and useful, and it will save you a lot of time. So I hope you find this video interesting. If it's the case, don't hesitate to put a like. If you have any question, any comments, any remark, put them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not, and I wish you a great day. Bye bye.